Hello everyone, this is Midlife Music Teacher and I'm Mrs. G. And in this video, I'm going to share with you how I accomplished one of my 2025 goals. So let's take it from the top. In January, in my first video that I put out on this channel, I shared some of my goals for 2025. This year, I'd like to accomplish some things before I turn 50. And here is a reference of that video. What I want to do this year is run a 5K. I do run just over 3 miles at least once or twice a week, but I've never run an official 5K. In the past couple of years, I've been like, oh, I really want to run one. And I just, for whatever reason, I talk myself out of it. So I really want to run a 5K this year. This was my indoor run during February vacation on the morning of February 20th. This was my indoor run during April vacation, April 17th, and this was my time for my indoor run. This was my run on April 20th, which was Easter Sunday. And during this indoor run, I had a little fall with a few bruised knees. Full disclosure, this was my time and distance for a 30-minute run on the morning of May 8th after I did the outdoor run last Saturday. So this is what it looks like after my watch was fully calibrated to an outdoor run. That's why I realistically knew my short legs weren't going to be able to do an 8-minute mile, and I gave myself the goal of doing it in 40 minutes. I have signed up for a 5K, and this 5K takes place tomorrow morning. It's being run by 2 girls who are seniors at the high school, and they're doing this as their senior project. The proceeds of this 5K go to the Athletic Association as well as Special Olympics. So it's for a good cause. And again, this is one of my 2025 goals for this year is to run a 5K. I know I have been running. In preparation. However, I have not been training. I don't have any intention of trying to beat a time or anything like this. I am just going to start and finish. Whether I have to walk half of it or not is not the point of tomorrow's 5K for me. It is to do it, have this accomplishment, and to complete one of my goals, to see what it's like. Is this something I'd do again in the future? Yep, tomorrow I put a check mark next to one of my 2025 goals. I have arrived this morning. In the middle. Take it easy. That's a wrap on the 5K. I'm pretty sure I got a little bit sunburned, but I finished in just under 39 minutes. The official time I think will come out later, And I'm glad they give you a shirt because this shirt is a sweaty mess. So today is the day after I ran the race, and I am proud of myself for accomplishing this goal. I did not set out to break any records or beat any times. I was just hopeful that I would complete the 5K within 40 minutes, which I did do. I feel good about it when I cross the finish line. It's not like I was overly exhausted or overly exerted. I felt like I had run for 40 minutes. Today, I feel just slightly sore in a few places on my legs and a little bit in my oblique muscles, but it's not, I don't feel any more sore than I would if I did like a strenuous workout. So all in all, I feel really good, and I am proud that I got to achieve that accomplishment. It was very cute because I ran in the district I teach in. There were some kids along the race route that were standing with their parents and cheering on the runners. And so, of course, they recognized me and cheered for me, and it was very, very cute. And so I am happy that I got to do that, and that it felt good. And like I said, I'm not sure if I will continue to do 5Ks. Maybe if the event is for a good cause or something like that, I would consider doing one in the future. But it was just something that I really wanted to do. And so, mission accomplished. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And with that, we'll end on a high note. See you next time. Bye.